Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's July 13, 2026. The attempted murder charges against Dharmesh Patel in the California cliff crash case have been dismissed after he successfully completed a court-approved mental health diversion program. The decision closes one of the most closely watched cases involving mental health and criminal justice. Pleasanton entrepreneur Gupta has announced a campaign for the City Council, pledging to focus on public safety, fiscal responsibility, and sustainable growth. The race adds another Indian American candidate to local California politics. NASA astronaut Anil Menon is set to begin his first mission to the International Space Station, where he will spend about 8 months conducting scientific research and technology demonstrations. The mission marks another milestone for Indian origin representation in space exploration. Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin has been ruled out of the remainder of the Major League Cricket season after suffering an injury. His absence is a major setback for his team during the crucial final stages of the tournament. Financial experts say current foreign currency non-resident, or FCNR, deposit rates offer NRIs an attractive opportunity to earn higher dollar returns without taking on currency exchange risk. The combination of strong interest rates and leverage options makes the product especially appealing. Ambassador Vinay Quatra writes that India's growing strengths in innovation, education and technology can become the foundation of a new knowledge bridge with the United States. He emphasizes collaboration in research, talent and emerging technologies. India has renewed its lobbying agreement with Jason Miller's consulting firm to strengthen engagement with the Trump administration and US policymakers. The move underscores New Delhi's continued focus on strategic diplomacy in Washington. Following his gubernatorial campaign, physician and public health leader Nirav Shah has announced a bid for the US Senate. He says his campaign will focus on healthcare, economic opportunity, and bipartisan leadership. Dr. Meher Medavaram has officially assumed office as president of the American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin. He plans to strengthen physician advocacy, expand community health initiatives, and mentor the next generation of medical professionals. Renowned cardiologist Dr. Sameen K. Sharma has been named Chief of Clinical Cardiology at Mount Sinai. The appointment recognizes his decades of leadership in interventional cardiology and medical education. Fertility specialist Dr. Anupama Rambhatla shares her personal decision to freeze her eggs, encouraging women to make informed reproductive choices. She hopes her experience helps reduce stigma surrounding fertility preservation. New research suggests the cholesterol-lowering drug evolocumab may significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, even before patients develop cardiovascular problems. Experts say it could reshape preventive treatment strategies for high-risk individuals. An opinion column argues that India's rapidly expanding education sector requires stronger regulation, higher quality standards, and greater accountability. The author says education should prioritize learning outcomes over commercial interests. Sean Randolph writes that India's growing AI talent, digital infrastructure, and entrepreneurial ecosystem position it to become a major global AI leader. He urges deeper collaboration between Silicon Valley and India. A historical feature explores how financial and strategic actions by two Indian rulers indirectly supported the American Revolution against British rule. The article highlights a little-known chapter linking India and America's founding history. An analysis examines the circumstances surrounding Sanju Samson's removal, questioning the selection process and leadership decisions behind the move. The piece argues the decision reflects broader challenges in Indian cricket administration. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com. Thanks for